Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by fixing the signal chain because most lag comes from the display. First, set your Xbox Series X to performance mode and choose 120Hz if your screen supports it. This increases refresh rate and reduces frame pacing delays. Next, swap to an HDMI 2. One cable and plug into an HDMI 2. One port on the TV. This ensures full bandwidth and features like VRR. Finally, enable your TV's game mode and turn off picture processing that adds frame buffers. This cuts milliseconds off your response time. Once the display is optimized, you focus on the console and network because stutters and input lag can be amplified by updates or congestion. Make sure your Xbox OS and controller firmware are current, since firmware fixes latency issues. Prefer wired Ethernet for consistent ping, or if using Wi-Fi, choose 5 GHz and reduce interference from other devices. Enable router Co-S to prioritize your Xbox. Also close background downloads and apps on the console. Free CPU and network resources translate into snappier input response while you play. To finish, you perform targeted checks and quick fixes to eliminate remaining lag sources. Power cycle both the Xbox and TV to clear buffers, and if needed, try a different HDMI cable or a different TV input to rule out a faulty port. If VRR or certain TV features introduce microstutter, temporarily disable them and lock the console to a fixed 60 or 120Hz output to test. If nothing helps, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Make sure to back up saves and test the console on another display to isolate hardware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.